Hey guys, today I'm in Southwest Philadelphia at my cousin's junkyard where I'm going to take a look at some cars that we could possibly do on the channel and work on so that you guys can see how people work on junkyard cars. Let's go in here and check it out. See, like, look at this car. This car barely has any damage. It needs a fender, maybe a bumper. That bumper might be able to be repaired, and maybe some work on the door and a new mirror. Now there's a lot of cars like this that come into the junkyard that really don't need a crazy amount of work. Sometimes they're just salvaged because of the mileage. It might be too high. The insurance company doesn't want to fix them, and then they salvage them, and then people like my cousin or junkyards can buy these cars and then fix them, resell them, or keep them for themselves. Me myself, I'm a big fan of that because I can work on the car myself and I can potentially save some money. And I trust my cousin because he's been in this business for so long. He knows what to look for in a lot of these cars, because when you're in the junkyard business, at some point or another, you know what cars have problems because people come to buy parts from them, right? People buy mechanical parts and people buy structural parts like fenders or hoods or something to save some money. And a lot of times I trust his opinion more than just going to buy a used car anywhere, because he knows the problems that most cars have because of people looking for those parts here at the junkyard. Let's take a walk around real quick and see what the junkyard looks like. Hey, look, we have nice Cadillac right here, Nissan Altima. I mean, there's all kinds of cars here. Acura, what is this, a TLX? Let me see, possibly a TLX. ILX, there's an Acura ILX. So this one we're not gonna work on. This one's burnt to a crisp. Yeah, that's not a car you're gonna repair, but I mean, this is what I'm talking about. That car is basically no good as far as repairable goes, but you have two good doors here that if you buy a car that needs two doors, you got the two doors right there. So this is basically what it comes down to with junkyards. Now there's a ton of cars over here that are repairable. This Acura, it's not that bad. Look at that. It's got a front hit. It needs a couple of parts, but if you know how to work on cars and you're good with your hands, this, not really a big deal. This Infinity is a possible fix. It needs two doors, some repairs on the quarter panel, a new fender, and a bumper. Now, depending on the price and how much you can pay for some of these parts, this is potentially a good way to save some money on cars. Now, when I started in the industry, I first got started basically at one of these junkyards with my cousin. We started basically just cleaning cars, moving cars around, and just as helpers. And eventually I moved into the body shop industry and he stood in the junkyard industry. Now this is a car my cousin recently fixed right here. And he's driving this car around right here, this Lexus. This is a nice little car right here. It's clean, all around clean car. The interior is very, very nice condition. So that's one of the things that my cousin knows how to look for when he's buying a car. He's very, very particular on making sure that the interior of the car is in really good condition, that the car is clean, and that the car hasn't been beaten up by anybody before he purchases a car and sells it to somebody. That's why I like getting his opinion and buying cars off of him, because he knows what he's talking about. Let's pop in and say what's up real quick. All right, guys, we're here in my cousin's office. My cousin Raul, say what's up. Raul.
How you doing, guys?
So I'm gonna send some people down here to your yard to come and buy some cars. You gonna give them a good deal?
Of course.
Are you giving some work to make videos with?
All the time.
All the time. Do I buy cars off of you all the time? You haven't, but you will be. Well, yeah, well, see, there you go. I haven't, but I will be. But you know why I don't need to keep buying cars? Because the cars that he sells me lasts me a long time. Because he knows what he's doing. So, if you want to, I'm going to leave the address to the junkyard down in the description below. Come down here. Check out my cousin, Raul. He's going to hook you guys up. You can buy parts here. You can buy cars here. You can buy whatever you want here for your car. He'll take care of you. Trust me. He'll find a way to get you something. He will. So, thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And let me know what you think. If you like this kind of content, I'm going to keep coming down to the junkyard for you guys to check out the stuff he has. And we're going to fix some cars that he's going to give me to fix. And we're going to do a bunch of crap. All right? See you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.